Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I went to my Joann's today. Sorry if you couldn't hear me there. And they're getting all inventory from different stores into my Joann's. They're not closing right now until they liquidate. They had 10% off, 20% off, some stuff 30% off. Like I went in the paint section and it was all 10%. I was like, no, craft paper was 20% off. Stickers were 20% off. Tim Holtz stuff was 20% off. That's about all. And then I decided to go. Wasn't gonna buy anything. And then I went into magazines. They had some few magazines with the stamps and dies, And there wasn't anything that caught my attention. But I do like buying these Somerset Studio magazines, and their publishes, as they called it, was 20% off. So this was originally $17. I only paid like 13 something. I usually get these. This one is this year's volume 28, issue 4, November, December, January. I have, I think, the last one. I usually buy them over at Barnes & Noble. I always want to get the subscription to this, and I never have yet. But that's what I got at Joann's, was just this. I like looking and getting creative ideas from it. And they always give you like free patterns so you can make it. Oh, that's kind of cool. And then some free paper. Look at that bunny. He's cool. Treasures and tins. Ooh, neat idea. And then there's another free piece of paper. And it's very thick. But usually if I do use a piece out of here, I copy it. I always think these magazines are actually worse than price. I like how they always show you different things with mixed media. All again. Another piece. Saphine circles. The neighborhood. Tom Cruise. Yep, I thought so. It's from that vampire movie, I believe. Joy in your journal. Oh, I love the glasses. Another piece. How to use some of them Tim Holtz people. Other ways. This is add texture to your work, and you can use the squares. And then, let's see. Subscription for Somerset Studios is, let's see, 1 year is $63.97. It's 4 issues. 2 years is $114.97. Free download ephemera. Yeah, and there's certain pages, if I remember correctly, you can find free downloads. So you just have to kind of look for them. So that's from Joann's. Now, I got my Joggles order in. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for a while. Love how they always wrap it in tissue paper. I haven't even opened. All I did is undo it. Oh. Oh, they must have had a freebie. Okay. Alright. That's cool. Let me get my order out. Save the tissue paper. So pretty. I always save it. You never know when you need tissue paper. And that's crafters. Yeah. Always save it. So, they must have freebies with my order, and I had a big order. So these are joggles.com, the little plain paper journals. Them are cool. So I got 2 of them. Alright. So, it is my Delusion stamps I've been wanting for a while. And this one is called Gnome Sweet Gnome. So you get the 2 gnomes, some flowers, some little faces, some leaves, a little pail with some tools in, little heart border. This one is No Place Like Gnomes. You get 3 little small gnomes and then these like little candy canes and some circles and hearts. I haven't seen one like this in a long time. See the difference? Yeah. Let's see something. My Delusion cart got turned. Oh, look at it. It says Ranger, now it says Stampers Anonymous up there. Interesting. Just realized that. Okay. Alright, and this is, okay. This one. I bought the 4-piece set. If you go to Rangers, they show you where you can buy all 4 for a certain dollar amount. Well, even through Joggles, it was cheaper to do it separately. But I did buy the set. So these 2. This one, Robin Couture. Just the little birds and the hats and the mittens and the scarves and ties and earmuffs. And then Toadstool Tails. It's got the little toadstool faces that look like cats. The stem's a little snail and a mushroom house. So this was all one set that came out. And then this is another set. I only bought this one. Perfect. It's the little kitty cats. It's got the little fish and meow and purr in the ball. And I think it's so cute. And that's that. That is my order. Can't wait. I want to play with these right away. I want to use the little gnomes. They're so cute. I want to color. Stamp and color. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.